Did you know that 90% of millionaires were made that way by investing in real estate? In case you missed it, let me do it again. Did you know that 90% of millionaires became millionaires by investing in real estate? But guess what? They, like most all aspiring real estate investors, probably suffered from analysis paralysis on their very first deal. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Helms, and I am the founder of the W2 Capitalist. I've been investing in real estate since 2014 while I had a full-time W2 job, very successful, very stressful job. But this year I was able to comfortably exit the W2 world. And for the last 2 years, I've been doing this particular program to help people just like you get over that hump and actually have their dreams come true in ways that they didn't even know were possible. See, I created this coaching program because not only do I see aspiring real estate investors afraid to actually make an offer, right? They lack the confidence to submit. They've done the work, right? They've underwrote the property, it hits all their criteria, but they just can't muster up the nerve, right? The confidence to proceed any further. And the reason I have passion for helping people like you is because I was there too, right? From the time my wife and I decided we were going to try and invest in real estate, and the time we actually made our very first offer, it was probably 3, maybe 4 years, right? A lot of HGTV was consumed during that time. But I myself was afraid to lead off with that idea of failure, right? I was overthinking, I was overanalyzing, and we missed out on a huge opportunity in the market. So I came up on so many things in that process that I learned what it takes to get over to the other side of analysis paralysis. I'll never forget, my wife and I were sitting in our house. Kid number 1 was just 2 months away from being born with contract in hand. We had already viewed the property, and with nervous pen, we said, hey, let's do it, right? And that was the beginning for us. And yes, our realtor at the time still did pen and paper offers. He's on e-signature now, but point being, that's when we began our journey, right? From the very first submitted offer where we got past our analysis paralysis until now, we've built a real estate portfolio that has allowed me to exit the W2 world. And don't get me wrong, exiting the W2 world doesn't have to be your goal, right? Maybe you want to build a bigger nest egg in a lot faster fashion, right? Maybe you recently have kids and you're starting to think about what kind of legacy you want to leave for them, right? Whatever your case may be, it all starts with that first deal, right? That painstaking, nerve-wracking deal, right? That very first one. And guess what? The whole analysis paralysis, it's all up here. Guys, it's all up here, right? So my friend, if you are watching this video right now and you know you are in a similar position, right? You just can't get over that hump because you're afraid you'll be judged, or that you'll be laughed at by your friends or your family, right? Or you may make that wrong investment decision. If you're watching this and you know that there is a part of you that just wants to burst out, right? There's a part of you that knows that investing in the real estate is the right vehicle to set you and your family up to achieve your financial goals, but for some reason you just can't make that offer, then I want to invite you, right? I want to invite you from my heart to yours to join me for the next 90 days, where we're going to go through a process where I'll help you. I'll be there with you step by step. I'll be holding your hand. I've got your back, right? When's the last time you had somebody who cheered for you and clapped for you and held you to your highest and greatest? Well, that is what my one-on-one coaching program is all about, right? And this is tough. This may be tough, but if you are in any way, right? And I mean any way interested, if this is the sign that you've been looking for, if you're one of those people who looks for signs, then type yes in the comments below. If you don't want to type yes because you don't want the world to know about it, send me a DM, send me a direct message, right? Or simply send me an email, jay@w2capitalist.com, jay@w2capitalist.com, say, I'm in, right? I'll respond to your message and we'll get on a call and we'll decide if this is a right fit for you, right? If this is a good fit or not. Thank you for watching this. I've been where you are and I want to help you.